It has officially announced their brand new massive 5000 R Evolution series subwoofers. They have two new subwoofers they've just released today that will impress a lot of cinema lovers and people that want to at least get an SVS subwoofer without spending so much money to get their flagship 17 series subwoofers that just came out a few months back. So the 5000 R Evolution series subwoofers, these two new models extend the subwoofer technology they already have. They've developed that particular technology for their flagship 17 Ultra R Evolution subwoofers. They are bringing the same reference performance to lower prices and smaller enclosures. They have two subwoofers as usual, typical of SVS, a sealed box subwoofer and a podded box subwoofer. So let's start out with the PB-5000. The PB-5000 R Evolution is a podded cabinet. It has a very large 15-inch driver. It also has a dual monoblock amplifier. It's fantastic. It even comes with an analog DSP, as well as the fact that it comes with the most powerful processing engine ever used in a subwoofer. So it's going to give you unrelenting bass performance in your cinema. The result is the fact that it will deliver effortless and room pressurizing low frequency at infrasonic levels with pinpoint accuracy and a stop on a dime transient response. For the new 15-inch drivers, SVS developed the first ever dual edge wound voice coil to ensure stable transfer of electromagnetic current from the dual mono amplifier to the very heavy toroidal freight magnet motor. Basically, that's how they've made this model. It's going to give you massive output with incredible control. It does come with a copper-clad aluminum voice coil wire that combines the best properties of both elements, and you're going to get a very, very, very impactful bass response with no distortion whatsoever. That's one thing the brand is pushing at. Now, in terms of the driver inside, you are getting a massive 2000 watts of continuous power output and peak power of 5000 plus watts. That is incredible. In a dual monoblock STA-2000D Class-D amplifier system. That's what you get inside. It's a beast of an amplifier. Each amplifier powers one of the dual voice coils to increase the current in the motor, which makes the pinpoint control very easy for the drivers to handle. The other thing again is that you get an 860 amp 200 volts MOSFETs that delivers near limitless power to ensure peak performance with the most demanding content. And it's a Class D design, so it's crazy efficient. You can plug it straight to a 13 amps outlet, and you're not going to be fearful of blowing your circuit outlet. So this is how they've said it. Although SVS designer says that a typical 15 amp home AC circuit should be enough for it. Even if you don't want to scale above that, 15 amps, 13 amps is okay for the subwoofer. It should be enough to run it quite comfortably. So look, everything you need in terms of its frequency response. If you are getting the PB-5000 Evolution, it can go down to 15 hertz, from 15 hertz to 180 hertz, and that's in standard mode, all ports open. But in extended mode, two ports open, it will go down to 13 hertz, and extend to 180 hertz. In sealed mode, for the ported version, it is 16 hertz that it can drop down to and scale all the way to 270 hertz. So this is how they've made this model, and you could also get the SB model if you are interested in the SB. The frequency response is 17 hertz to 280 hertz. That's the frequency response for the sealed model. So look, now the price is quite reasonable. It's not the most expensive, but it's in between that and the flagship 17 R Evolution model. Now, if you want the regular SB model, if you want the premium ash version, it is $2,000. If you want the piano black version, it's $2,100 for the SB version. If you want to buy the PB version, the potted version, it is $2,500 for the ash version, for the premium black ash version, and around $2,700 for the piano gloss black version. So these are the price details that you need to know. It's currently on the official svs.com website if you want to pre-order or buy it, but I'll drop details down below for you guys. If you're interested in it, do check it out. Subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.